Have you ever heard of the glycemic index and glycemic load? They're both tools to measure how quickly and how much certain foods raise blood sugar levels, but they are not the same thing. Let's take a closer look at the differences between glycemic index and glycemic load. First, let's define what these terms mean. The glycemic index is a ranking of how quickly a carbohydrate containing food raises blood glucose level compared to a reference food, usually glucose or white bread. The glycemic load takes into account both the quality and quantity of carbohydrates in a food. For example, a watermelon has a high GI but a low GL because it contains a lot of water and fiber, which slows down the absorption of the carbohydrates. On the other hand, a donut has a high GI and a high GL because it contains a lot of simple sugars and refined flour. Knowing the GI and GL of foods can be especially important for people with diabetes because it can help them manage their blood sugar levels and reduce their risk of complications. So how can you incorporate this knowledge into your own diet? Here are few tips. First, choose foods with a lower GI and GL, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains and legumes. Second, combine high GI foods with low GI foods to balance their effect on the blood sugar level. And third, pay attention to portion sizes because even low GI food can raise blood sugar level if eaten in large quantities. So by using the glycemic index and glycemic load as tools, you can make good choices about the food you eat and help maintain a healthy blood sugar level. So next time you're planning a meal, remember to think about more than just your taste. Think about the glycemic index and glycemic load as well. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Parul, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel and regularly watch my content, I would love you to subscribe to my channel, A Happier Me, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!